Immediately turn your iPad into a super portable laptop with this keyboard case. It comes really nicely packaged, and then I got the black color, and it has perfect holes cut in it for the camera and the iPad itself to fit within the case. Inside, you'll find the Bluetooth keyboard as well as a USB-C charging cord for the keyboard. This keyboard is super responsive once charged, and this fits in here along with your iPad. This keyboard is also backlit with a full rainbow color display around the keys. This keyboard is extremely lightweight, but also very responsive and has everything you would expect out of a keyboard, and it even includes Bluetooth instructions on the back. It is also magnetized to the case, so it won't fall out of your case. As you can see here, if you shake it around, hold it up, it does have a magnet strip back here that the keyboard sticks to. When you fold this up a certain way, you can easily utilize the magnetic strip with the keyboard and the case to have an instant laptop utilizing your iPad. There is even a space at the top to fit your Apple Pencil perfectly. This slides in on the side and magnetizes to your iPad within the case. So you can have all of your tools with you at once, your iPad, your Apple Pencil, and your keyboard to go with you instantly. Just pack everything back up in the case and it fits there perfectly. Even magnetized on the outside. And like I said, there's a perfect cutout for the camera on the back of the case.